Let's talk about drop shipping on Walmart Marketplace. And there are a few things I want to really expose into this conversation so you have a clear idea about Walmart Marketplace drop shipping. So here's a preface to our conversation. When you think about Walmart drop shipping, the question is the practice still working? Of course, it is working. Okay, and Walmart is actually one of the largest retail companies in the world. So basically, you have a very popular platform for drop shippers because of a wide range of products, and also you have a very large customer base. Okay, but I really want to go a little more granular. So when we speak about Walmart drop shipping, what are we talking about, and how does the whole process work? So basically, first of all, Walmart actually is a multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and also grocery stores. It's actually one of the largest retail companies in the world with a presence in multiple countries. So this is not just for just in the states, okay? And the best part is that it really offers a wide constellation of products, including groceries, clothing, electronics, home goods, and more. It also has both physical stores and also an extensive online presence, allowing you to actually shop in store or through its website or even mobile apps. So that's kind of cool for dropshippers like you because you have a lot of opportunities. And one of Walmart's key strategies is that it really focuses on low prices. The company aims to provide customers with affordable products, often through its everyday low price policy. So that's kind of cool. And so, how does Walmart dropshipping really work? Basically, as a dropshipper, basically you want to list Walmart products in your Shopify dropshipping store. So when a customer visits your store and places an order, you proceed to walmart.com to make the same purchase on behalf of the customer. So to ensure smooth delivery, you have to provide the customer's shipping information to Walmart, who will then ship the order directly to the customer's address. So that's kind of cool. Now, how do you profit? You set the prices of the products in your store higher than those on Walmart's website. So this allows you to earn a profit equal to, let's say, the price difference when you purchase the product from Walmart versus when you sell it in your store. In addition, there are three different methods on how you can dropship with Walmart: selling Walmart products on other online platforms and marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress, selling dropshipping products on Walmart's own marketplace, and you also have sending products directly to a buyer by using Walmart's dropship vendor program. So that's kind of important. Now, the last method is considered when dropshipping as a third-party seller. This is when you list all of the Walmart products you are dropshipping under your business name. Although keep in mind that you have to first get approved though. Now let's answer the $1 million question. Does Walmart allow dropshipping? Yes, but let me just rephrase that. So Walmart actually allows dropshipping, but it's important to adhere to specific guidelines and regulations for conducting dropshipping on the platform. Okay, and this guidelines really encompass maintaining precise inventory levels, delivery shipments promptly, and ensuring that actually a products align with Walmart's quality criteria. I mean, the quality criteria are really stringent on Walmart. Okay, I mean, you really have to understand they have to defend their reputation too. They have to uphold their reputation. Okay, so let's talk about how to become a dropship vendor, a DSV on Walmart. So basically, becoming a dropship vendor on Walmart Marketplace is relatively as straightforward as a process. First, you need to apply and complete the onboarding process. Once you are approved, you can start listing your products on the marketplace. And as a dropship vendor, you'll have two options for shipping. You can either ship your items to a Walmart warehouse, or you can deliver items directly to customers. It's really up to you. And this flexibility, in our view, allows you to choose the most efficient and cost-effective shipping method for your dropshipping business. And everything depends on the geography of your customers, right? So overall, becoming a DSV, a dropshipping vendor on Walmart Marketplace, provides you a great opportunity to reach a vast customer base and expand your dropshipping business real fast. Let's talk about reselling Walmart products. So when it comes to reselling Walmart products, the process is a bit different from traditional dropshipping. So instead of simply listing products and having a supplier ship them directly to customers, reselling Walmart products requires purchasing the items yourself and having them shipped to you before sending them to your customers. So that's kind of important to really think about. What about drop shipping on Walmart's platform? The first thing is you need to sign up for a Walmart Marketplace account, and you can do this by visiting the Walmart Seller Center, or and this is also known as the Walmart Marketplace. So once you are on the website, click on the Join Marketplace button in the upper in the right upper corner. So that's kind of cool. Here you need to provide all the necessary information such as the business address and tax forms. And once you are approved, you can start listing your dropship products for sale. And the process can be really, really fast. It really depends on how fast you provide your info. Now, can you actually dropship from Walmart to other platforms? Yes. But there are certain regulations that if you need more information, just let us know. We'll certainly explain that to you. But you can certainly dropship Walmart products on other platforms such as a Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Amazon. So that's really an important element to think about. So what are the steps here? When we speak about Walmart dropshipping, let me really break it down for you. I want to explain to you the step-by-step process, okay? I mean, first thing first, it's all about the products, right? It's all about making sure that you are finding products that resonate with your potential customers. So step number one, you want to find products and suppliers. There are various ways to find your winning dropshipping products and suppliers, and so you can use Doba. You can use Sell the Train. You can use you can use a lot of players. Okay, and so you actually you basically can find ways to source the products that you want. And you can also research Walmart categories to find products. For instance, you can go through categories such as Walmart clearance section, Walmart savings spotlight, Walmart daily deals, Walmart flash picks, and what's more, before you start searching for products and suppliers, you can also take a few things into consideration. I want you to think about suppliers' location, right? Geography plays an important role. You want to think about the due diligence, so how prepared you are and how prepared they are also. And you want to research popular product niches, and you also want to think about pricing, so the product pricing. So you want to try to analyze prices from your competitors, and you want to really compare and contrast those prices versus your own prices. So that really adds an extra layer of benchmarking here. So step number one, you want to find products and suppliers. Step number two, you want to apply. So you need to actually you need to go to Walmart Marketplace website and click on the join button. Okay. And after that, you have to fill in the required information, which should really take you anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. So that's pretty straightforward too. And so I want to show you on the screen here. You really have to put your legal U.S. address, country, city, state, and all that kind of stuff, good stuff, okay? And after that, you need a business address, business email, EIN. So EIN stands for Employer Identification Number, W-8 or W-9 form, etc. So you can see this on the screen here. So they're asking you about W-9 or W-8. It really depends on what you want to choose. What's more, Walmart can even ask you for a sales proof. So this is something to really also think about. Okay. Next, you want to really specify the marketplaces where you want to really attach. You want to attach your store to. Okay, you can see this on the screen. So, but don't forget to be patient because it may take up to 14 days to get accepted. Walmart is a very competitive marketplace. Just remember that. Step number three, Walmart Marketplace onboarding. I want to show you on the screen here. So after 1 to 2 weeks, you'll need to go through the Walmart onboarding process. Okay. And you can see this on the screen here. The onboarding process can take up to 2 weeks again to be fully approved by Walmart. And so this is kind of really it's important to really take that into account because when you think about it, this extends the whole process to nearly a month, right? And so after you are approved in the registration phase, you will receive a registration email. And from that email, you'll be asked to create a seller's account, agree to the Walmart retail agreement, fulfill the necessary tax forms. And when we speak about tax forms, we are speaking about federally, but also statewide. And you want to fill in the payment and shipping information. You only accept payments through a Hyper Wallet or Payoneer. You want to establish product listings and upload your inventory. And you want to finalize the Walmart partner profile, which really encompasses all the information visible to your potential buyers. So for instance, this includes things like your company name, description, logo, and policies. Step number 4, you want to set up your store. So once everything is actually approved, you can start listing the product that you wish to sell, right? And remember, when we talk about listing your products on Walmart Marketplace, accuracy and attention are really key. Accuracy and attention to detail. And Walmart actually has specific guidelines that you must follow when creating certain product listings. So be sure to familiarize yourself with the guidelines to ensure that your listings actually meet the platform's requirements. The last thing you want is to be actually kicked off of Walmart's marketplace. So you can see this on the screen here. You want to really list everything, be very detailed, okay? Detailed. Likewise, make sure to test the order process with a couple of items you have already listed. So you can go to in the seller center and you can look at the order acknowledgement, cancellation, shipping, and refund. So you have a clear idea of how things work. Step number 5, you want to start fulfilling orders. This is kind of cool. So you are able to actually have a conversation with customers. And here you also have you can choose Walmart's fulfillment services, or you have another option, deliver by Flexport. So you can really try it, see which one works for you. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. Fantastic. Let's talk about software here. When we speak about Walmart Marketplace dropshipping, software can really help you too. I mean, you don't have to do things manually yourself. You can actually automate, or at least try to automate. You can automate partially or fully the whole process. Okay, and I want to share with you a few software tools that can help you. For instance, you have a Zik Analytics. So Zik Analytics actually is kind of cool because this software allows you to easily find profitable products to list on Walmart and other platforms. It also provides valuable insights into market trends and consumer preferences, and this actually enables you to make data-driven decisions. So that's kind of cool. Next, you have also Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart. This is another tool that's really great. So this is a software tool that enables you to easily dropship products from Amazon and Walmart directly to your customers. And the platform actually provides a convenient and efficient way to for you to expand your product offerings without the need to have a inventory and management setup or even shipping logistics. Plus, to initiate dropshipping from Walmart to Shopify, you will require an application such as an Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart to start the process. With it, what happens here is that you are able to import merchandise to your Shopify store and sell it through both Shopify and Walmart. So that's kind of cool. And when it comes to pricing, this tool is available for free. And also the pricing starts at about $50 per month. And you can go all the way to $2,500 per month, depending on your needs, the features that you need, the capabilities you want to unlock. Speaking about shipping, it's very important for me to mention a few things about shipping. What are Walmart's shipping and return policies? So Walmart has a policy where customers can return most products within 90 days. What's more, if a product was purchased from Walmart's website, returns can be made through the mail. So think about this this sort of logistical convenience, if you will. Also, Walmart will deliver refunds using the original payment method. And so in contrast, Walmart offers a standard next day delivery option for thousands of products. Hence, if the order exceeds $35, shipping is free. Otherwise, the buyer is responsible for the shipping cost. Additionally, express delivery is available for an extra fee of $10. So those are little logistical things to really think about. And for members of Walmart Plus, those shipping fees are waived. This means what? It means that members can enjoy free shipping for their orders without having to meet a minimum purchase requirement. So something to really think about. So let's talk about the benefits here. So why should you dropship on Walmart Marketplace in the first place? Well, when it comes to dropshipping, you have, of course, countless of online marketplaces to choose from: Amazon, eBay, right, Etsy. But one platform that stands out for its potential and vast customer base is really Walmart Marketplace. So you have what? Easy onboarding and streamlined fulfillment process. You have no upfront cost, so you are able to minimize financial risks. That's kind of important to think about. Your cash inflows and cash outflows. You have fees that are fair, especially when you compare them to what eBay is charging versus what Amazon is charging. You have a large customer base. You have quality and usefulness. That's very important to think about. So let me break it down a little bit for you. When I speak about a few things, first of all, when I speak about an easy onboarding and streamlined fulfilling process, basically from signing up to getting approved, Walmart makes it very easy for sellers to get started and list their products. This means what? It means that you can basically, literally, quickly set up shop and begin selling your dropship products in no time. Okay, no 3 days, no 3 months, whatever, no. Additionally, one major advantage of Walmart's platform is the streamlined fulfillment process. As a dropshipper, you don't have to worry about the logistics or customer service aspects of your business. Walmart takes care of shipping products to customers and handling any customer inquiries, and this allows you to focus on sourcing high quality products and growing your business, which you should really be thinking about anyway. You also have to think about no upfront costs. So Walmart does not charge any setup fees, monthly fees, or subscription fees to become a dropship vendor. This means that you can start your dropshipping business at Walmart without the need for significant initial investments. And so that's kind of cool. You have fair fees. So basically, the specific referral fee that Walmart charges varies based on the product category, with the most referral fees falling between 8% and 15%. So that's kind of cool. And you also have a large customer base, and quality and usefulness, fantastic. So that's really good in terms of flexibility, but also scalability. So what are the pros and cons of Walmart dropshipping? Let's talk about that. The pros first. What are the pluses? And then I'll speak about the minuses later on. So the pluses include you have an extensive range of products, special offers and savings. The products are expedited. You have expedited shipping within 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours. Walmart is trying to match what Amazon has set as a guideline for shipping nowadays, online shipping nowadays. And you also have a price matching guarantee that Walmart is really enforcing big time. So that's kind of cool. What about the cons here? Well, when you think about Walmart dropshipping, I want you to think about a business model that's only suitable for the US market. Of course, Walmart is in different countries worldwide, but if you want to really make money through Walmart dropshipping, you want to focus on the American market. You have strict shipping and return policies, and you also have long-lasting application and onboarding process. So those are some of the minuses here. So when we speak about the Walmart dropshipping, and when you analyze your benchmarking ability, when you analyze your benchmarking data, what are the best tips that you can really take away when it comes to Walmart dropshipping? Well, you want to take advantage of Walmart's large customer base. You want to leverage the low competition, and please do not underestimate the product research process. And this is very important. So when I speak about product research process, basically you want to identify high demand products. They have a good profit margin, and find reliable suppliers who can provide you with high quality products. So bottom line is Walmart dropshipping worth it? Of course it is. When you speak about dropshipping in general, and especially on dropshipping on a platform as a comprehensive as a Walmart marketplace, this practice is really worth it. Why? Because you have the potential sales value, you have the level of effort, you have the shipping times, and you also have Walmart dropshipping integrations. So integrating a Walmart dropshipping business with a Shopify store can also be beneficial, because this allows you to leverage the strengths of both platforms and reach a wider customer base. So something to really think about. So in conclusion to this conversation, I gave you a bit of the truth about Walmart marketplace dropshipping. I gave you the preface, the steps, the software, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.